Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the text and picking an engine. Remove markup and odd symbols so synthesis reads naturally. Keep contractions where needed. Next, decide cloud versus local. Cloud gives simpler setup, local gives privacy and lower per hour cost. Once decided, set the language and accent and choose a sample rate like 44/100 HC. Then create an initial short test phrase, since you will iterate quickly to adjust pronunciation, pacing, and pause placement. You now configure voice parameters and prosody to sound human. Start with pitch, speed, and the chosen speaker profile. Increase or decrease speed in 5–10% steps to find a natural pace. Use SSML or equivalent tags for pauses, emphasis, and phoneme overrides. This fixes names and acronyms. Once done, render short 10–20-second clips and compare. Listen for unnatural stress or monotone. Make targeted edits to punctuation and SSML until cadence and emphasis match your intent. You finish by rendering full audio, normalizing levels, and integrating files into your app or content pipeline. Export in the required format, for example. WAV for editing, MP3 for distribution, and check file sizes versus latency needs. Then verify timing, subtitles, or lip sync if used. If something goes wrong, run a baseline phrase through another preset to isolate voice versus text problems. Make sure SSML syntax is valid, and that sample rates match between.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.